In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw euros from Nexo. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to their dashboard, scroll down, and you want to sell some crypto for euros. So here you have some crypto. As you can see, I have some Nexo coins, some XRP. I can just click on this trade button, click on sell, whatever I want to sell, and then select how much I want to sell. And under receive, I want to select euro X. When you do that, of course, select the amount, press continue, and then you'll be able to confirm the transaction and you'll receive some euro X. After this, go to dashboard, top left, scroll down again, and then here under assets, switch over to fiat X. And here you'll be able to see you have some euro X, the amount, of course, you sold. Now, from here to actually withdraw this, click on transfer, click on withdraw, and then select if you want to withdraw to bank or to card. If you want to do it to a bank, click here, select the amount, select the bank country, and then you'll be able to, of course, put in the bank info and do it that way. Or you can, of course, select the card as well. So here, if I click on withdraw to card, this will start loading for a few seconds. And when that's done, you'll be able to put in your card name, so the name of the card holder, and then the card number, the expiry date, and then the CVV or CVC as well. You'll be able to link your card. Then after it's linked, you'll be able to select how much you want to withdraw, and then you'll be able to withdraw onto your card. So that's how to withdraw euros from Nexo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.